Hey guys, it's Katie here. What you're gonna learn in this video is how to create a thank you page. If you have not seen my first video in this free video series on how to create a high converting funnel, you should see a tab or a link in this video or below this video. So go ahead and check out the first video that I did on how to create a high converting landing page. This specific video will show you how to create a thank you page as soon as you're done with your landing page. So if you have not seen the first video, go ahead and watch that before you watch this video, because it will make a lot more sense to you if you watch the first video. So either click right here or go ahead and check out the the link in the description below the video, and you will find that first video that I'm talking about as well. So let's dive right in. I am personally using Kartra. If you have any other, landing page, funnel creator, go ahead, feel free to use those. But my favorite one is Kartra, which I am a beta member of currently, but it is going to launch on February 15th. So if you're watching this video after February 15, 2018, it is most likely already live. If you don't have any kind of page creator, website creator, funnel creator, feel free to click the link below this video and check out Kartra. Also, if you want to learn about it once it goes live, you can go ahead and click the link below this video as well and sign up for updates on when it's gonna go live. So let's do it. So we'll click on create new page and click on thank you pages, and let's just choose, let's choose this one right here and click on launch builder, and let's say affiliate marketing training thank you, and choose my trainings so I know where it goes to, and so it all would be organized. Okay, so we can get rid of some of these things right here. So let's get rid of them. Actually, this whole thing we can get rid of right here. And also this little line right here. So just click X, and here we can simply edit this stuff. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on this and then just go ahead and click text and just edit this text right here. Say something like just the name of the training. So something like how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Alright, let's make it bigger. And let's make it bold and see how that looks. Okay, and we can also change the color of this. So this is where the video would go. We will upload it a little bit just in a minute here, but let's just edit this part right here. So let me just edit this really quick. Copyright 2018. And then I'll just get rid of this stuff. So what I do, I pretty much share, how I make money with affiliate marketing and the tools and everything that I use. So I'm going to add whatever I recommend them to go check out right here below this video. So let's do that. So for the button, I'm going to go ahead and click edit, and I'll change text to learn more about Kartra, because I do recommend them to use Kartra to build their funnel and stuff in order to start building the list, so they would start making money with affiliate marketing. So learn more about Kartra, and then I'd click on apply, and let's put the link in, custom URL. And we can actually either put custom URL or we can link to another Kartra page. I will go ahead and link to another Kartra page because that's where I would actually want them to go. So select page, and I would click on Kartra Early Bird and open in a new tab, apply. So that's it for the button. And then I will actually go ahead and edit or add whatever I also recommend or share with them to check out right here. So I will edit this text, find here, and then I will add the other resources that I've talked about in the video. So I will just go ahead and copy this, and I will just edit, and actually let me go ahead and edit this one and just say I want it to be 20 here, so it wouldn't be too much space in between. And I will go ahead and edit this. So I've recommended my lead capture mastery course. Eyedropper. And I will actually hyperlink this text. So when they click on it, they will go to the color pick eyedropper. So URL, this is good. And then target, new window. Okay. And I will also do the same thing with this. All right, and click here. And that's it. That's the 3 things that I've talked about in this video, what they can go learn. So what I'm gonna actually do, I will actually bring this button up. So it'll be like right below the video. There we go. And I will change the color of the button so it'll stand out more, obviously. So style, and let's make the button green. Green buttons are good too, so let's make the button green and click apply. Maybe a little lighter green. And we can actually change the text to be white on the button and click apply. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I don't really like this yellow right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and move these up right below the button. Let me move it up. There we go. And we're just gonna make a little bit more space between the button and the text. So let's put 40. And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna have to get rid of this part right here, the orange part. So let's just click on column mode and let's get rid of this part. All right, let's move this up as well. So let me just grab this and drag it right over here. So the only thing we have left to do is to change this video right here. So we're gonna click on edit, and then we're gonna click on upload a new video and browse. And here is our video that we wanna upload. So let's click open. And let's change the file name because this is way too long. And upload. So the video is done uploading and optimizing in there. So what we can do, we can actually edit here as well if we want to. So we can turn it on autoplay if we wanted to start playing right away. show controls, mute on start, whatever we want to do. I'll just turn it on autoplay and click apply. Alright, so that's it with this page right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and save it and then publish live. I will go ahead and edit this, put affiliate marketing training. Okay, let's close it and then let's go to dashboard. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create an autoresponder email that will go out to your leads automatically, and how to, set everything up, connect it together, and how to actually get a nice looking catchy domain that you can connect to your page and start promoting your funnel. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And click that little bell icon to get notified when my next video will go live. Also, go ahead and comment below if this video was helpful, and feel free to share my training videos with anybody who you think will benefit from them. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Blessings. Bye-bye.